carry the comb, pull it from the bottom like this, and then all the hair will just fly and go. No, don't do that. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining, welcome. I hope you stay. I hope you love us. I hope you like my content. In this community, we are beauty enthusiasts and we talk about everything beauty, from skincare, makeup and hair care. This is what we do. So if this is what you're looking for, you are in the right place. So make sure you subscribe, like and comment so that we can know who you are and welcome you into this community. Today we are going to be talking about things that you need to do to make your 4C hair grow and things that you should avoid to make your 4C hair grow. But before we go into that, I have a very huge announcement for you guys. So YouTube started this thing where everybody in this community can talk. I mean, I'm not just talking about talking in comments or just through likes or no. This time around, you can post your own content. You can make your own post in the community tab on this channel. So if you are part of this community and you want to connect with beauty enthusiasts like you can post in this community, you can ask your question in this community, you can connect with people in this community. I mean, we are more than 1,500 in this community, so we should have something to talk about. I will look forward to your post. I want to see your face. I want to get to know you. This is me telling you that you are welcome to my community and I would love to connect with you. So make sure you go to the community tab and make your post, ask your question. Let's see your face, let's see who you are. Now, without any other, I promise you there's no other thing that's going to stop me from telling you what I have come to tell you today. All right, so I'm just going to dive right into how you can grow your hair, things that you need to do and things that you should avoid. Number one thing that you don't want to do to your hair if you want your hair to grow. I promise you, before the end of this video, if you have been struggling with hair growth, if you have been struggling with breakage, if you have been struggling and your hair is not even growing an inch, I promise you, if you watch this video to the end, you will have solution to that problem. Now, the first thing that you don't want to do to your hair, you don't want to use a lot of grease on your scalp. I know anytime we want to talk about hair care or this and that, the first thing people will ask is, which hair cream are you using? And I'm like, why are we always talking about hair cream? Like, hair cream is the only thing that can grow your hair. So actually, hair cream as we know it is a greasy material and it has a lot of oil, and most of the time when we go to the salon, then they apply it on our scalp. Now let me tell you why this is not so good for your hair. If you are the type that used to relax your hair before, you notice that when they want to relax your hair, they will put that grease hair cream on your scalp, on all these parts, so that when the relaxer starts to get to work, the thing doesn't burn your scalp. You don't get, so it blocks all those airways on your scalp so that it doesn't react with that chemical. Now, if you are also the type that apply a lot of grease on your scalp, you will not allow your scalp to breathe. I'm not saying don't apply oil on your scalp. I'm just saying if you use too much grease every now and then, you are greasing your hair. Not just your hair, you are greasing your scalp. You can even grease your hair a little, but not your scalp, because by the time you do that, you are not allowing your scalp to breathe. So it will not give room for your hair to grow as it ought to. Now, that is out of the case. Number two thing that you want to avoid, and a mistake that you are probably making, is sleeping on your hair. When most of us are already tired at night, I understand how this thing can be. You're already tired from work and somebody is asking you to pull your hair up before you go to bed, especially if you rock your afro to work. You just don't want to go to bed like that, my dear, because you will wake up with a lot of tangles in your hair. That is not good. That is something you want to avoid. So when next you are going to bed, at least just put it in a in a pony like this, in a bun like this, it's okay, such that when you wake up you don't have different tangles in different places. Or if you have the time, you can just put it in some twist before you go to bed. Yes, that is what our hair requires. If you really love your hair and you want it to grow and you want it to be healthy, most importantly, you don't want to go to bed and sleeping all over your hair, all over the places. Oh, okay, maybe if you now have like protective hairstyle on, maybe like braids and all of that, that's different. Number three thing you want to do to your hair is to make sure that it doesn't lack hydration. Your hair loves water. Type 4 hair loves water. You need to moisturize your hair as much as you can. Spray it with water, my dear sister. Spray it, or if you're a brother, I don't know. Spray it with water. Spray in the morning, spray in the night. Make sure that your hair is always staying hydrated and moisturized. That is very key. Number 4, trim as often as you can. I know that people say, oh, only trim your hair once in 3 months or once, I don't know. There's just a lot of this thing that goes around. But love your hair and know your hair. If your hair, you feel like your hair has a lot of split end that needs to be trimmed, my dear, trim it off, because if you don't, it will pull out every other part of the hair. So what's the point? Just cut it off. Cut it off. Alright, make sure that you trim your hair as much as possible. Now, second to the last thing that you want to do, detangle your hair from ends to roots. Some of you, when you want to comb your hair or detangle your hair, you just carry the comb, pull it from the bottom like this, and then all the hair will just fly and go. No, don't do that. Just from the tip like this, continue to comb it small until you reach the root. That way you will not lose a lot of hair. What's the point? You are trying to grow your hair and you are still forcing it all out. That's not what we are trying to do here. Okay, so when you want to comb your hair, detangle it from the root, from the mouth to the root. Okay, and lastly, this one is going to be tough, but I'm going to say it anyway. Don't be a product junkie. I'm telling you, no matter how much product you buy, if you don't know how to use it, if you don't know the exact one that you're supposed to use or the way you're supposed to use it, it will not work. It will not work. So if you're just piling up products, use this conditioner, use this protein treatment, use this and that one and this one, at the end of the day, what you are going to have is product buildup on your scalp. So please, my sister, my brother, don't be a product junkie. Just buy the one that you absolutely need. Don't just go from one brand to another brand, just buying different products in hope that your hair is going to grow. This thing is simple. It has a formula. Just follow it. Now, all these rules can look like, oh, it is too much. Why is Glo-Mary saying all of this thing now? Blah 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 blah. It's not hard if you think about it from this point of view, that okay, I love my hair and I care about it. All these things will come in naturally. You don't want to pull your hair out. You want to add water to it. You don't want to add a lot of product. You don't want to add a lot of grease on your scalp. All these things will just come in naturally. No issues. You don't have to cram it. You see, it's very simple something. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. I really love to hear from you guys. Anytime I see a comment pop up on my notification like this, I'm always glad, like, oh, my people are here. So please do drop your comment and let me know if you want me to make a particular video for you. I'm here to serve you. And yeah, for people who are just joining, we do this here where we share a verse of the Bible in every of our long form videos. So here is the verse of the day. And yes, guys, I love you and I'm going to see you in my next one. Thank you.